In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Instagram emojis not showing or are missing. So if you're having exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did is that I closed the Instagram app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app right here, as you can see. And in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So now in here I clicked on storage. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to load here. So we need to wait for the apps to appear in here. So we're just going to wait a couple of more seconds. Now, as you can see, when we can see the apps in here, just scroll up, click on search here, search for Instagram, and then click on the Instagram app. Now you need to click on upload app and once again click on upload app right here. We're just going to wait a couple of more seconds and then click on reinstall app button. So the reason why you need to do this, and I'm just going to close this now. So the reason why we need to do this is because when there is like a new update and new emojis, then we need to basically get the new update. And you're going to get the new update by doing this, by the way, just automatically basically. So when you get the new update, you can go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.